इकडे लाईट्स चालेल ना चालू केलं स्टुडंट टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट experiment number 4. The title of this experiment, force on the roller on an inclined plane. Student, this experiment is same for mechanical engineering and you for civil engineering also. So in this experiment we have to use some instrument or apparatus, inclined plane, trolley or roller. This is the roller, student. Listen, this is the roller, this is roller, then this is the pan, and this is the weight box. This is weight, this is the 20 gram, then this is 10 gram, 50 gram, in this way. After that, this is the meter scale, and this is the thread, and this is the inclined plane. So student, this is very simple experiment. This is the protector. On the protector we will get 0 to 45 degree angle, and this is the adjustable. This switch you have to adjustable. This is now this adjustable in the 30 degree. So in this way again you have to adjust this protector in the 25 degree. So you have to lose this, and again you have to use this 25 degree in this way, 25 degree. Again you have to use 20 degree. Again you have to use 35, 40 or 45 in this way. So first we will take 30 degree, and here is we will take two reading, that is upward direction and downward direction. So student, this is the observation and calculation we have to given. This is the least count of the spring balance 0.01 kg. Then error is not here. Then observe weight of the roller. A roller का weight दिया है 0.16 kg, that is 16 gram. This 16 gram we have to convert it into kg, that is 0.16 kg. Then pan, the weight of pan is 0.03 kg. Then corrected reading 0.03 kg. Keeping your mind. So student, this is all instrument. This is the pan, this is the roller. So we will take weight before starting the experiment. And now I am going to start this experiment. This is simple observation table. Here we will take angle 30, 35, 40, then 45, 50, 55, 60. So we will take only 1 to 2 readings here. And after we will take reading, so that is same procedure, keeping your mind. So student, this is the 30 degree. So we have to adjust it here. This is the 30 degree. So 30 degree we have to convert in sin theta, keeping your mind. So sin 30 we get 0.5, keeping your mind. Then third column, W sin theta equal to mg sin theta. So m is the mass. So this is the m, g is the 9.81, and sin theta का value 0.5, and m. So your roller, weight of roller 0.16, so we get 0.08. Then upward reading we will take. Listen here student, we will take upward reading. This is the roller. Upward reading, in this case we will take this reading goes on upward in this way. So student, this is the 50 gram weight is more weight, so I will take here 40 gram or 30 gram. This is the 30. Again this 10. That is correct. This is the 30. In 30 angle we will take upward direction, that is this is the downward direction, or roller in the down direction. So that is the 30 gram weight, keeping your mind. This is the downward direction. So our weight is 30. This is 20 gram. Listen here. This is the 20 gram, and this is 30 gram, 10 gram. So that is the 30 is in downward direction. Again I will take upward direction reading. So upward means this roller in upward direction. So I will take again, this is 20 gram. So what we get? No. Again I will take 5 gram. Then so lastly we will take 50 gram directly. And 60 gram. So this is more weight. Again I will take this. So student, this is 60 gram. So this is the upward direction when roller goes in upward direction from downward. So that is the 60 gram. So this is also 65. So this is our one reading. Again we will adjust it. This is 35 degree. So in this way I will take 35 degree. So this is the adjusting. Adjusting reading, and again I will take downward direction reading. So in downward direction we will take 20 gram in this and this 20 gram. So student, this is the 40 gram, this is downward reading, keeping your mind. And again I will take upward direction reading. So upward direction I will take in this way 50. Student, listen here. 60, 80, again I will take this. So this is our upward direction reading. Listen here student, upward direction reading in this way. So in this way I will take 2 reading. So generally we will take 4 to 5 readings, but now I am only 2 reading, that is 30 degree and 35 degree. So same reading by using this protector as like a 45, 50, 55 and 60 degree angle. So in this way, this is the simple reading, and I will take plot the graph against the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis in sin theta and y-axis W G weight. So in this way is the simple experiment. Again I will take third reading, and then you have to confirm this. Suppose we have to consider now 40 angle of 40. In this way is the 40, and I will take downward direction reading. Listen. Listen here student, downward direction reading I will take. Again listen in this way, this is the downward direction reading. Again listen, downward direction in this way. So this reading is 50 and this is 2. So this is 52. Then upward direction reading I will take here. Listen here in same position. So this is our last reading. Listen. So this is our upward direction reading, and in this way we have to complete this experiment. This experiment is force on the roller on an inclined plane. So here is we will take only downward direction and upward direction reading in two times. Reading and reading will take 4 to 5 reading, that is 30 degree, 35, 40 degree. So student, suppose we have to consider this reading 30 degree, 35, 30, 40. So this reading we have to convert in sin theta. So sin 30, 0.5. Then mg sin theta. Again upward direction and downward direction reading. Then upward W1 equal to W1P. P means pan ka reading. So upward direction plus pan reading is this. Then downward direction plus pan reading is this. Then W equal to W2. W1 plus W2 upon 2. So this reading we will take 47.5, then 45, 55.03 and 67.53. Then error W minus mg sin थीटा, मतलब वेट में से mg sin थीटा का वैल्यू माइनस करो तो ये रीडिंग आपको मिलेगा. इन दिस वे वी विल टेक 4 to 5 रीडिंग एज कम्पेयर टू 30 degree to 60 degree. So student, and then we have to plot the graph in this way. The graph plotted in straight line on x-axis and y-axis. So our result is downward force on the body of the weight mg on an inclined plane is mg theta is equal. Then the graph between x-axis and y-axis go down straight line. So student, we have to complete this fourth experiment, force on the roller on an inclined plane. So that's all.